Hello, I'm Mighty J Cosplay, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn from this to this. I start tracing my face using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in shade All Over Gray. Then I draw the teeth using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in shade All Around White. Once it's done, I start filling the teeth using the Marin Paradise paint in white. Then at the root of each tooth I'm mixing some Marin Paradise paint in yellow. Then still at the root of each tooth I'm mixing in some Marin Paradise paint in light brown using a small brush. For the horns I'm doing pretty much the same process. I fill them using the Marin Paradise paint in white and I'm kind of shading them at the root using the yellow body paint. Then I use the white body paint to mark some highlight spot all across my face. Then I went straight up for the shading color, which is the Marin Paradise paint in red. Then I start to blend that all together using the Marin Paradise paint in shade Peach Berry, which is a lighter shade of red. Once it's pretty well blended, I'm redoing the shading and blending that in using the Marin Paradise paint in red yet again. Then I'm redoing the same process on the top half of my head. I'm just being more careful when applying it over my eyebrows because I don't want to be too rough while I'm blending it to don't disturb the glue and concealer that I've put on. And I also repeat the same process around my nose. For the horns, I'm marking the highlight with a white body paint. I'm then mixing that with silver body paint and I'm shading them using the Marin Paradise paint in Storm Cloud Gray. I'm then doing pretty much the same process for the nose ring. I then use the Marin Paradise paint in black to fill the holes of the nose and the rest of the mouth. I also mix in a tiny amount in some spots on my face to deepen the shade. I'm also outlining the nose ring and the eyes with the black body paint. I'm outlining the bottom half of the teeth toward the outside of the mouth using the Marin Paradise paint in dark brown, and for the half that is toward the middle, I'm using the Marin Paradise paint in black. I start the eyes with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in white in the middle, then I'm using the yellow of the Makeup Forever Flash Palette to do a ring around it, then I'm mixing the red and the yellow of the Makeup Forever Flash Palette to get an orange that I will use to fill the rest of the eye area. I set the concealer using a white metallic eyeshadow and I'm setting the yellow cream makeup with a yellow shimmery eyeshadow. I add black eyeliner on my waterline and then I'm setting the orange cream makeup with an orange metallic eyeshadow. I'm outlining the eye area using a black eyeshadow and a liner brush, and I smudge it a little bit. I then start shading toward the outside of the eye area. I'm starting with a gray powdery eyeshadow, and then I'm slowly and carefully deepening the shade using black eyeshadow. I'm doing it step by step to avoid getting too dark. Then I'm quickly setting most of the face using a red eyeshadow. I'm setting the teeth using a white shimmery eyeshadow, then I'm mixing some yellow at the root of the teeth, then I'm adding some highlight using a white metallic eyeshadow, then I'm using a liner brush and black eyeshadow to outline the teeth, then I'm using a brown eyeshadow to add some shading at the root of each tooth. I'm using a red metallic eyeshadow as highlight to top the white highlight that I did with the body paint. Then I'm using a deeper shade of red eyeshadow to top the shading that I did with the red body paint. For the horns, I'm repeating pretty much the same process that I did with the teeth, using white shimmery eyeshadow, white metallic eyeshadow, and yellow eyeshadow, and I'm outlining the root with black eyeshadow. For the nose ring and the other horns, I'm using a light silver eyeshadow in the middle on top of the highlight, and a dark silver eyeshadow on top of the gray body paint. And this is the final result. So this is a custom creation. This is my version of a demon. So this is mostly based off the drawings that you see on the background. So this was a demon that I drew when I was a teenager, but I never actually tried to turn any of those drawings into makeup. So I just did, especially to get ready in time for spooky season. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. If so, please feel free to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more cosplay SFX makeup tips and tricks and tutorials. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye!